In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to connect your LiftMaster garage door opener to Wi-Fi using the myQ app. Hey there, Alex here, and in this video I'm going to show you a really simple way to get your LiftMaster garage door opener connected to your home Wi-Fi network using the myQ app. This is a great solution if you want to be able to open and close your garage door from anywhere with an internet connection. So without further ado, let me walk you through how it's done. First of all, let me explain what the myQ app is. myQ is an app developed by LiftMaster which allows users to control their garage door openers remotely from their smartphone or other compatible device. You can monitor, open and close your garage door from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Now that you know what the app does, let's get into setting it up. To do this, you'll need a compatible garage door opener connected to a power source and access to compatible Wi-Fi network. So before we get started with setting up the myQ, you have to make sure you have a compatible LiftMaster garage door opener. So this one is the 8365W. This one is Wi-Fi and myQ compatible. If you do not have a Wi-Fi myQ compatible, but a LiftMaster garage door opener or a Chamberlain, you can use this LiftMaster Smart Garage Control, which is the 821LMC-S. And that will allow you to connect any LiftMaster or Chamberlain garage door opener or gate opener to use the myQ. Step 1, go to the App Store and download the myQ app. myQ, download. Make sure you're using this particular icon. It has to be only that icon. Open. Okay. Allow. I agree. I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in my account. If you're not signed in, you can just use Get Started. All my info is already saved, so I don't have to type any password. And this is my personal myQ, so I'm just going to add another garage door opener. So plus device, garage door opener, ceiling installed, no camera. Yes, check, check, check. I am ready. And we're gonna use this one. Just check which one you have, and if you don't see your wall control, you can make sure that there is this. Okay, so now we can use this wall control. We're gonna click on the Learn button now. All right, we hear the beep. Next. Yes, I heard the beep. Next. Searching for devices. Join. Allow. There is only one. Join. Alright, so now we select the Wi-Fi. And now we're waiting for the device to connect. So it's going to send the Wi-Fi password to the garage door opener, and we hear some beeps, meaning that it's getting the information. And we should be connected very soon. Nothing is gonna explode, it's totally normal. And then you can name it whatever you want. So it can be Garage 1. If you have multiple, you can do Garage 1, Garage 2, Garage East, Garage North, whatever. Or you can call it the best or ASC test, for example. All secured equipment test. Next, saving the garage door name. And then if you're a Prime member, you can also set up the Amazon key, which is a very convenient way to have Amazon delivery drivers to be able to securely and only for your deliveries to be able to open the garage door, put your packages in the garage, and then close it with the same, very secure Amazon key. And if you want, you can also add a camera to your garage door opener to also monitor what's happening during a delivery. Here we're not going to do that. We're just going to close. Are you sure? Continue. Oops. Okay. And that's because it's not set up. So you see, it's because it's not installed, it's just a test unit, so it's telling me that it's not reported. So you can see that the app works amazing because it's now telling me that there is a problem with the installation and that it cannot work correctly. And then you see that's my garage. So I'm not going to open it, but if I click here, I can click open and that would open my garage door. Those are home lock that I have been a little bit lazy and did not finish to set them up properly, but it's also showing you that it's working perfectly. And then you can add user if you want. You can have the history of everything that happened. So it's an amazing system to control your garage door. And there you have it. That's how you can easily connect your LiftMaster garage door opener to Wi-Fi using the myQ app. With this setup, you'll never have to worry about being locked out of your house again. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips like this one coming soon. And remember to check the description below to get links to the product we just talked about.